Vendor credits. Sometimes we will return purchased goods back to vendors due to expired those goods, or sometimes due to damage of those goods. If you want to enter vendor return, you can use this vendor credits option. You can go to vendor credits by selecting purchases and select vendor credits. By clicking this new button or clicking this plus mark, you can create a new vendor credit. You can select the vendor name, credit note number will generate from the system. You can select the date. In the item table, you can select your item. You can enter the return quantity and you can enter the return value. Like that, we can enter our vendor credits. If you want, you can add more items by clicking this add new row. After that, you can save your vendor credit. In addition to that, if you have entered bills in the system, if those bills available in the system, you can select that bill by clicking these three dots. You can select create vendor credits. After that, you can proceed. Then all the details will fill here. Vendor name selected, credit note filled by the system, and items, quantities, rates populated to the screen from that original bill. If you want to change these details, you can change, or else you can save this vendor credit. Now, main advantage of that converting bill to a vendor credit, then that bill and vendor credit set off from those transactions. Now we can save. Right, these two are we have entered transaction now. Now first one, it's open, the status is open. Second one, its status is closed, because first one we haven't set off to any bill, therefore it's open. In second one, first one actually we haven't set off. The second one is we have selected the bill and we converted to vendor credit, so therefore that bill is set off against vendor credit, so therefore it's closed. And balance also 0, that means it's there's no balance and it already set off to a bill. Right, like that, we can create our vendor credits. So in first option, we have originally enter transaction, originally select the items, quantities and price. So if you enter or if you use that method, you need to select a bill and you can set off. In the second option, we have used convert a bill to a vendor credits. So in that case, system will automatically set off the bill against vendor credit. And second option, no need to select vendors or items, quantities, everything converted from the bill. Right, like that, we can create vendor credits.